Hello YouTubers, welcome to another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing the Infinite Box VS01-AMD. It's what they call an Android box, or often also referred to as a TV box. So what exactly is an Android box? They say it's similar to an Apple TV, but it uses an Android operating system. That means vendors can actually load them with special software so that the gadget can access an almost unlimited amount of television shows and movies. Customers attach this loaded box onto their television and stream whatever they want to watch. Of course, the legal channels and legal sites that's available. Right, without much ado, this is exactly how the gadget comes in. As you can see, Infinite box, and what's in it is okay. The box itself, as you can see, is rather small and slim. It has here an AV port, the RJ25 port, and HDMI. And of course, this is where we connect the power to it. And on the side here, we have two USB ports here with a micro SD slot. Next is the Infinite user manual. It comes both in English as well as in Chinese. Okay, here is the HDMI cable which we use to actually connect the Android box from the HDMI socket here to onto your television. This here is the power supply plug that needs to be attached. It comes with its own remote, which controls the Android box. It needs two AAA batteries to power it. Okay, that's about what's inside the Android box for the Infinite. We now look at the Air mouse that I also procured, which apparently is supposed to make it easier for you to actually change your channels and do your selections and what have you. It's rather looks nice and compact, a lot of buttons and that sort of thing. And the best part is on the other side of the remote you find this keys here, the letters, alphabets and all that, so you can actually use this to actually type in your command or your selections that you may want to watch. It uses two AAA batteries, and it also comes with a dongle. You need to actually attach the dongle to the box here in order for you to be able to use the Air mouse remote with the Infinite Android box. Okay, that wraps up the unboxing. We will continue later with another session on actually the connections and how it performs. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.